I want to show you how Adobe Express can help you create all types of multi-channel and collateral content, digital or physical, with ease to fast-track in-market assets. Let me hop over now to Adobe Express and show you. Creative teams are a very valuable resource to any business, but all too often they are pulled into workflows that are not a good use of their time. One example might be resizing or creating assets for multiple channels, yet marketing teams have the need to generate multi-channel content at the speed of their customers' demand and must accelerate their campaigns. So Adobe Express empowers marketing teams as well as sales, HR, internal communications, and others to create their own assets that can be used across channels without burdening creative resources. Let's say that the creative team has created a campaign post for me, the marketer. Now I want to take the same post and resize it for YouTube. I'll choose that option or options if there are multiple and select duplicate and resize when I'm ready. And just like that, I have a YouTube thumbnail in mere seconds. It's also possible to turn the static image post into a video with animations. Perfect for an Instagram story or an Instagram reel, and choose from a variety of animation styles. When you need to scale, reuse, and localize content, the Translate feature makes it possible to adapt language for multiple markets, creating language variations in a single click, all while maintaining brand consistency. With Generative Fill, the same technology already in Adobe Photoshop, you can add, remove, or replace objects, people, and more in any image. Quick actions are just that. Remove backgrounds, generate QR codes fast, even transform video into GIFs like this clip downloaded from Adobe Stock. Bring campaigns to life with animation, music, and artwork right in Adobe Express. Level up videos, animations, social posts, banners, and flyers with ease. Resize for any placement. Make all of your edits with the all-in-one app. Create content that goes above and beyond for any channel that you might need. Sharing your project for review is easy. Click the Share button and invite them with their email address or by copying a link to share. Choose whether you'd like them to have permission to edit your design or comment on your design, which is perfect for reviews and approvals. And once those assets are given the green light, you can download them in the best file format for your project. Think of Adobe Express as your one-stop creative app. No experience required. Give it a whirl. Here is a template that you can remix and experience all that Adobe Express has to offer for yourself.